Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Amelita L. For today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to cook simple eggplant recipe. Quick and easy to cook. So here's I did. I just used butter. I put the garlic, onion, gisa-gisa ng konti, and then ilagay yung tomatoes. At pagkatapos ilagay yung talong. Igisa-gisa lang siya ng konti. Lagyan ng soy sauce. Salt and pepper. Chili paste. Gisa-gisa. Gisa-gisa hanggang maluto. At pagkatapos niya, lagyan ng konting tubig. A little bit of water. Takpan ng konti hanggang maluto. Ayan, luto na ang simpleng talong. Ang sarap nito guys. At ilagay na rin ang spring onion. Ayan guys, luto na ang simple talong recipe. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.